In this video, I'm going to show you how you can install the right Alison app. If this video helps, please like and subscribe to this channel. Alright, let me first remove the app. Now to install Alison app, you need to go to your phone and look for this app called Google Play Store. That is if you are on Android. However, if you are using an iPhone, then look for App Store app. Tap on it to open, and now go to search and search for Alison by just typing in and run your search. As you can see, if I tap on this, we have our Alison Online Learning app here. To know that you have the right app, make sure it is from Alison e-learning. And at the time of recording this app had a star rating of 4.7 with over 153,000 reviews. It has been reviewed a lot. So currently this app has been downloaded over 10 million times, and by the time you're watching this might have changed. The file is not that big, it's around 46 MBs. This might also have changed by the time you're watching this. If you see all these details, you have the right app, and this is the current logo for the app. Now to get the app, just tap on install, and this will download the latest version of Alison Online Learning app and install it on your phone. From here, now you can tap on open, or if you go to your phone and scroll, you can see now we have our Alison app here. When you open it, this is the welcoming interface. Now you can create your account and start using this online learning app. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.